Quick news update. What's happened is shocking. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has interacted with Group Captain Shubhangshu Shukla, an Indian Air Force pilot, now aboard the International Space Station on the Axiom 4 mission, making history. During their conversation on June 28, 2025, the Prime Minister shared heartfelt words, telling Shukla, "Your name carries Shubh, and your journey is the Shubh beginning of a new era." Shukla expressed immense gratitude, sharing that his 400-kilometer journey is not just his, but that of the entire nation. He will commence groundbreaking stem cell experiments this Saturday. The 39-year-old astronaut, number 634, launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center. His team will conduct over 60 scientific experiments, including cancer research and advanced manufacturing. This historic mission truly underscores India's growing prominence in global space exploration. Stay tuned to Zof for more groundbreaking updates from beyond our world.